with the use of technology, drama and imagination, we are going to transport you back to a time of conflict.
A time when life was desperate.
The cacophony of fellow friends' ear-beating screams.
The scent of rotting food makes vomit rise in my throat.
Crimson red blood running down the battlefields, circulating the dead bodies.
I stare straight into the eyes of death.
Muddy wasteland, people waiting, watching, seeing.
Fathers, grandsons,
Sons,
nephews,
Uncles.
and brothers.
no! My husband! I want him back! My boy! My precious boy! God, please help me. It was all I had.
Only to be opened in the event of my passing.
12th October 1917. Only open if we lose the war. Dearest Ilona, this may be the last you hear of me, my love. I fear all the time in the world has been taken from us.
Writing this, I have hot tears trickling down my muddy cheek, and I guess you do have them.
So close your eyes and think of that time when everything was peaceful, when everything was happy.
If you look into the sky, remember, I shall always be with you, in your heart and in your memory. Your ever-loving husband, Donald.